Hi. Now that we have created the opportunity, let's check how we can convert or create those opportunities, create quotations from those opportunities. So for that, we will go to the CRM again, and I will open one opportunity that have already been won. Even before won, in any state, even new or in qualified, we can send quotations to the customer. Okay, so here we have new quotation button. Just click on that. It will automatically create a quotation, and now we can add the products. Either we can click on add a product button and we will select those products, or in the catalog we can add all the products. Okay, it will show all the products, and we can just click on add and increase the quantity. Like that we can update. Okay, even in the catalog we can select products based on the category, so it will be easy for us to understand whichever product we need to update. Okay, then even after adding, we can change the quantity. Maybe I need 4 hours for this classroom training, 3 hours for data loggers, and this unit price is actually the sale price that we have already configured inside these products. Okay, so it will automatically update here, but we can change that accordingly. We will update those unit prices, all those things, and if there is a payment terms, we can choose that. If it is immediate payment or 30 days, all those things we can choose here. And once I have added enough product detail, enough quotation details, I can send this directly to the customer from the Odoo itself. So for that, just I will click on the send button, and a mail section will appear. So here they ask for email address, because we need an email address for the customer, only then we can send that. So I will just put the mail example.com, and I will set email. So now this customer's email has been updated with the email that I have just provided. There is a subject, we can change that. If we want, we can change that, and this will be the body. This also we can update. This administrator is the login person's name. If whichever person is logged in, it will appear here. Okay, and in addition to that, a quotation PDF will be attached. Even we can remove them, or we can attach more screenshots, documents as we require. And if everything seems fine, we can just click on send. So now we have sent the quotation. We can see that the quotation stage has been changed to quotation sent. It was quotation previously, and in the log we can see the email that have been shared, and also the PDF that have been shared in the email itself. We can still download the PDF. Just click on print, this will be the quotation, and after downloading, we can, if we want, we can share it directly to the customer through any mail channel, WhatsApp, or any media. So for that, we still have option to download the PDF. And once we have sent the email to the customer, if they send back their PO to us, we can attach the customer PO here in the attached files. We can attach them for future reference, and in the customer, in the other info tab, there is a field called customer reference. We can update the PO number of the customer for the reference. Okay, so as they have shared and they have agreed, this quotation needs to be confirmed. So for that, I will confirm the quotation. So now quotation has been confirmed, all those things has been validated, and this quotation is converted to the sales order. Okay, and we need to go back to the opportunity and mark it as won, because already we have sent the quotation and they have agreed. We have converted this quotation into a sales order. So this opportunity needs to be converted to won. Okay, so now this is a closed deal, and this is how we will create a quotation and send it to the customer and make the corresponding CRM as won. Also, we can create direct quotation from the system itself rather than creating from an opportunity. So to create them, we need to go directly to the sales module. We have this new button here, which will create a quotation. You can see that the quotation is new record is creating, and this is in the quotation state. But we need to add some basic information for the first. It is customer. We need to select the customer, then product. Like we have already seen, we need to select product either from the add a product section or from the catalog. Okay, so I will add some products and back to quotation. Okay, also we can add some section. Okay, like this is like immediate requirement, something like that. We can just drag them here. So these are immediate requirement. Even I can add a note like they requires 1 year AMC. This quotation or this services comes with 1 year AMC, something like that. We can update whatever we want, and we can just drag them to make it more section wise understandable. So okay, this is how we can create channel quotation, and all the flows remains the same that we have already shown. So that's it for this video. We have covered how we can create a quotation from either directly from the opportunity or create an independent quotation from the sales module. Okay, thank you.